Greetings. Welcome to the Math Hub. Sic Pevis Magnum. Greatness from small beginnings. Nasi tinoda kuita masets a preliminary introduction. Saka chatiri kuda kutanga kuita kuintroduce symbols emasets. Symbols of sets. So our first symbol is going to be this. Ngatiti we have a situation where P is equal to A, B, C, D. Ndo situation yatinayo. Saka kana tiri panapa, P ino E, this is the name of the set. So this is the name of the set. Saka tenge chiti set P is equal to, then aya mabrackets aya curly brackets ndo anoshandiswa for sets. And what we have inside, these are called the elements of set P. Saka denotation iri panapa kana kuti madaniro atinozviita tinenge tichiti P is a set of A, B, C, D. So A, B, C, D, these are the elements of set P. P is a set of A, B, C, D. So this is going to be our first symbol. Notation inoshandiswa kana tichinyora masets. Let us go to our second symbol. Let us say we have a situation where X is a set of the English alphabet. So X is a set of the English alphabet. Tine manyorero akawanda atinogona kuita this information. Firstly, let us take a detour. Timbodzokera kumashure zvishoma. In our first lesson on sets, takadzidza isusu kuti when we need to describe a set, we have three ways of describing a set. Saka way number one, takati tine word description. Then way number two, takati we describe a set using elements. Saka ndogona kuipa zita rekuti elementary description. Tichita kushandisa ma-elements. Then lastly, number three, takati tinoshandisa inonzi set builder notation. Set builder notation. Saka tiri panapa manje, we need to describe that set. X is a set of the English alphabet. What are we going to use? Saka chekutanga tinogona kuita a word description. So word description hainetsi, tinenge takungoti isusu X is equal to tobva tati letters of the alphabet. So letters of the alphabet. Kana tadaiso taita word description. But as you can see kuti, describing a set using words, it's limiting. And what we actually have to do, tinofanirwa kudescribe tichishandisa ma-elements of the set. Yandati nini elementary description. So tinoita sei? Tinenge takuti isusu X is equal to, takuda kulista ma-elements of the English alphabet. So tinogona kuti A, B, C, D, E, toramba tichienda until we get to Z. But I think you can catch the drill kuti it's becoming tiresome, it's becoming monotonous. Zvakubohwa. So because of that, what we have to do is to introduce another symbol kana tichiita masets. Tinoti the set X is equal to A, B, C, D, and so on. And so on inorepresentwa nemadots 3, then tawataisa the last element which is Z. So ndo manyorero atinoita. As you can see kuti this second description of the set, it's now more informative and takuziva ma-elements of the set X. Kana kwanga kuine munhu asingazive ma-letters ari in the English alphabet, ukamutaridza the second description of the set, anowana an idea kuti ma-letters arimo ndi A, B, C, D, and so on until we get to the last element, kana the last letter of the English alphabet, which is Z. Let us say we have another example, another case. Takuiti 2b. Saka this case, tikuti isusu R is a set of counting numbers. R is a set of counting numbers. Saka panapa tikuda kudemonstrate tichishandisa word description because tatoratidza kudhara kuti it's limited. Information yatiinayo from such a description is limited. What we now need to do is toda kudescribe this set tichishandisa elements acho. Saka before we go anywhere, maybe let us just give a brief explanation of what we call counting numbers. Saka ma-counting numbers, ma-numbers atinoshandisa kana tichikaunda kana tichiverenga. So obviously, tichatangira pana 1, 2, 3, 4, and so forth until we get to infinity. So naturally, kana tichiverenga tinotangira pana 1. Hatitangire pana 0, tinotangira pana 1. So kana tichinyora this set manje, tinenge takuti isusu R is equal to, toisa ma-brackets ema sets 1, 2, 3, and so on. Vatavhara. Saka I want to show you something here. Toda kucompare these two, toda kucompare this and this. Mukatarisa panapa muchaona kuti in both cases tashandisa notation yekuti and so on ish, and so on. But musiyano uripo ndewekuti patalista isusu X handiti X inema finite elements because X iri kurepresenta chi letters of the alphabet. So what we are saying is X has what? Finite elements. Saka kana X inema elements are finite, kureva kuti ane paanogumira, the last element ndoyatinonyora after taisa and so on. Whereas now tikatarisa pa 2b, tikuona kuti R is a set of all counting numbers. We cannot list them. They are indefinite. They are actually infinite elements. Infinite elements. From the word infinite, the word infinite shares the same roots with the word infinity. Kureva kuti uncountable, without end. Ma understand? Saka panapa we can actually put it as a note. Kune vari kurekodha ma-notes kuti madots aya ari 3 anoreva kuti and so on, and so on. Ndozvaanoreva. So we are finished with 1 and 2. Let us go to number 3. Kana tiri pa number 3 manje, munoziva kuti in counting systems tine an idea of 0. And saka 0 tinoidefine as a placeholder. If you look into the history of numbers and muchitarisa systems of numbering akatanga, firstly we have in Egypt, we also have systems of numbering in Italy, saka tine ma Roman numerals, then we have a system of numbering which is more efficient yakatanga in Middle East Asia, kana kuti this system yakatanga in the Islamic world. That's why tichitichi ma-Arabic numerals. You are going to see kuti it took quite a time until the introduction of zero. Saka kudhara vachida kunyora for example kuti 101 vainyora vakati 1 vongosiya space over what 1. Maona. Saka kana vachida kunyora kuti 1000 vainyora sei. Saka zero was introduced in so much as a lifesaver, because this idea of holding a place kuti tinonyora kuti 101, saka zero watichanyora panapa ari kuholda this place was actually a very important invention in mathematics. Saka we have the idea of zero kana tiri kuma-numbers. We also have the idea of zero kana tiri kuma-sets. Saka kuma-sets, our idea of zero inonzi an empty set. Inorepresentwa nema-symbols aya. Is either unoisa kakaita ka-zero kubva kachekwa like this, or unokaisa ma-brackets, curly brackets are empty. Izvi manje ndo zvinorepresenta inonzi iyo empty set. Saka system inowanzo kushandiswa ndeiyi zvayo, but ukaonawo ma-brackets angori empty, ziva kuti it's an empty set. So this is actually more self-explanatory, but in most textbooks of mathematics vanoshandisa kakaita ka-zero kakachekwa. So this is going to be our third symbol. Let us go to our fourth symbol. Now our fourth symbol manje tinge chirepresenta inonzi universal set. Saka this is the symbol of the universal set, kana kuti this also is the symbol of the universal set. The universal set. Of course, universal set inotipa an idea of what? Of universality. And universality tongoreva allness, zvinhu zvese. This is linked to the word universe, which represents everything in space and time. Saka universal set tongoreva zvinhu zvese in layman terms. So universal set zvinhu zveshe, zvinhu zveshe kutaura semwana. Okay, let us go to our fifth symbol. For our fifth symbol, ticharadza kakaita ka-e kakadai so, but check note kuti haina kunyorwa se-e, inonyorwa in contemporary English kana kuti contemporary language. E yedu iyi kakadai so, ndo manyorero ako. Iyi inenge chinzi element of, ndozvazvoreva, an element of, kana kuti to make it simple tinongoti a member of. We are going to demonstrate in a few examples kuti ma-symbols aya anoshandiswa papi uye anoaplya sei. So do not fret as of yet. Okay, what about kana chinhu chisiri an element of? Tinonge saka iye akatova takacheka. Izvi zvakureva kuti chi? Not an element of. Not an element of. That will make our sixth symbol. Let us go to our seventh. For our symbol number 7, tichaisa yakaita se-C inoi patinonyorwa yakadai so. Maona. Iyi inorevei? Inoreva kuti is a subset of. Tichakuratidza zvoshanda papi, pando zvazvoreva is a subset of. Can you guess kuti kana chinhu chisiri a subset of? Kana kuti when something is not a subset of, inonyorwa sei? Your guess is probably going to be right, because tinongodzokorodza this symbol to wataicheka, izoreva kuti chi? Not a subset of. Not a subset of. Okay, let us go to our ninth symbol. Symbol number 9. Takudzokorodza ka-C kanaka, but kakafuratira kakadai so. Iyi inoreva kuti includes. zvazvoreva, but haiwanzi kushandiswa hayo. Symbol number 9 haisi common. Amwe ese ataisawo ndo anoshandiswa in everyday language kana chitaura pamusoro pemasets, asi symbol number 9 is not as much common. Okay, then the 10th symbol itakaita in our previous class, so this is just revision. P union Q, tinongoreva kuti tokuda the union of P and Q. And in our previous class takati isusu kana tichitaura pamusoro pe-union kutaura pamusoro pechi mubatanidzwa wemapato, mubatanidzwa. Okay, for our number 11, P intersecting Q, what we need here is the intersection of P and Q, and we discussed in our previous class kuti izvi zvikureva takashandisa word kuti kunanzvana. Forgive me there, kunanzvana. Okay, then lastly, our 12th symbol number 12, kati N tesa ma brackets tesa S toda iso zvongoreva kuti number of elements in S, the number of elements in S. Okay, this concludes issue yema symbols. Where are we going now? What we need to do now is to introduce anonzi ma sets of numbers, contemporary sets of numbers. So sets of numbers. What do we mean by sets of numbers? Saka tine ma types of numbers. Ma types aya anenge ane ma different sets. So what we are going to do here is we are going to use one stone to kill two birds. Chekutanga tinenge tichitodiscussa ma types of numbers. Then we assign a set to that type of number. Saka chekutanga tina anonzi ma natural numbers. We have what are called natural numbers. Saka ma natural numbers ane rimwe zita anogona kunzi ma counting numbers. Counting numbers. So tamboma discuss edu earlier kana chitaura pamusoro pema counting numbers tinenge tichitaura isusu ma numbers atinoshandisa in everyday counting. Une ma points mangani? 15 points, 1 2 3 until 15. Une mombe ngani? Une mapeni mangani? Une dzimba dzingani? Une mota ngani? And we use 1 2 to infinity in counting. Saka the set of natural numbers is called n. Saka teta kuti n is equal to, then curly brackets, 1 2 3 4 5 and so on until infinity. Takadai so. So this is actually the set of natural numbers. This is the set of natural numbers. Saka before we go anywhere, do not take note kuti 0 and was not an element of natural numbers. Kana tichiverenga counting hatitangiri pana 0. Saka 0 is not an element of natural numbers. Let us imagine a situation where 0 is included. Kana 0 akaincludiwa, tinenge takutaura pamusoro pema whole numbers. Whole numbers. Saka ma whole numbers takamaita kubvira nakubvira. I letter n, it's very important. Inoshandiswa specifically for natural numbers. Saka mukaona pakanzi something is an element of n, you should know kuti it's a set of natural numbers. Izvi zvakafanana ne pataita ma standard international units in physics. This was agreed upon by internationally by mathematicians kuti kana vachida kutaura pamusoro pemanatural or counting numbers, they are going to use the letter N. And you should take note of the capitalization. N yacho should be in capital, should be a capital letter kuti represent natural numbers. So for my whole numbers now, the set is called W. Saka panapa I think it's quite easy because natural starting with N, the set is N, whole numbers starting with W, the set is what? It's W. Saka panapa teta kuti W is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on until infinity. Saka this is the set of whole numbers. But panapa manje, 0 is now an element of whole numbers. Saka 0 is not an element of natural numbers because we don't count naturally using 0. But 0 is an element of whole numbers. Mapaon. Okay. Let us now say kuti taita crossover from grade 7 to form 1. A shift in our mathematics kana tichibva grade 7 primary tichienda form 1. One of the main topics inoita disturb the psyche of students directed numbers, because then we are weaned from the mathematics of saying it can't. 3 minus 4 primary, it can't is a true answer. But the moment yatunoenda form 1, 3 minus 4 becomes minus 1. Chat it can't, because we are introduced to what are called directed numbers, or rather negative numbers. Saka tikada kurepresenta this in set notation, our type number 3 of numbers anenge achinzi ma-integers. Integers. Saka a set of integers, and ma-integer ma-whole numbers, but takuwedzera ma-negatives. A set of integers is called Z. Ndobazotangira uchinja. Dei tanga tiri isu maybe taivamo mumaboards aigara pasi achidecida kuti leta yakati yoshandiswa for which type of numbers. Apo ndaisa I, but unfortunately it's not up to me. It was decided already kuti ma-integers anenge achishandisa Z. Vamwe vanoti Z, asi kuno kuAfrica tinoti, especially kuZimbabwe, tinoti Z. Saka Z manje kana takuirepresenta tenge takudai. So I want you to take particular notation, because tiri kubva ku-negative infinity and tinoisa and so on. Iri kwekutanga tobva tati minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, and so on. Ndo manyorerwo ainoitwa. Z is equals to and so on kubva ku-negative infinity yatisinganyori yedu, then minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, and so on kuenda ku-positive infinity yatisinganyori yedu. Saka ndasingada kuinyora, amufanirwi kuinyorawo, but tiri kubva ku-negative infinity tichienda ku-positive infinity. Ndozviri kuitika panapa. Saka these are what are called integers. Ma-integers aya mabatisisei because ishamwari yedu, tinomashandisa zvakanyanyisa kana tiri kumathematics. Okay, ngatichiendai kutype number 4. Kana tiri patype number 4 manje, zviri kuitika panapa manje zvakuchinakidza. Rational, nganongoinyora hangu. Pane word rinonzi rational. Anditi kati munhu ari rational tenge tichirevei? Tenge tichiwanzo kutaura pamusoro pekuti munhu anorizena, munhu ari upright in his or her thinking, munhu hadzina kutacha, hadzina kukatana brain. Saka tinoti ma-rational numbers. Rational numbers. Kana tichitaura pamusoro pema-rational numbers, tenge tichitaura pamusoro pechii? Saka here, before we demonstrate set yacho inonzi chi and everything, we are going to have some notes here. Our first note is going to be the definition of a rational number. Kana tichitaura pamusoro pe-rational number, tichitaura pamusoro pe-any number that can be expressed as a fraction. That can be expressed as a fraction. This is a fraction of the order a over b, where a is an element of integers and also b is an element of integers but not equal to 0. But not equal to 0. So this is the definition of a rational number. Chekutanga, a rational number, wedre kuti rational. Kana muchirangarira, in my teaching ndinowanzokuda kurefera vanhu back to what are called roots, kana kuti midzi, kushiona tonzi midzi yezita. And kana uchida kuziva the meaning of a word, you should appreciate the root of that word. Kuti word iri ringava rinobva pai. The word rational. The word rational actually has roots with the word ratio. And kachitaura pamusoro pe ratio, tichitaura pamusoro pechi ma-fractions. And it do ratio, but when you hear about ratio, automatically you should think about fractional representation, cannot ma-fractions. Saka, a rational number, let me remove this to avoid unnecessary confusion. Saka ndichitaura pamusoro pe a rational number, kutaura pamusoro pe any number inogona kunyorwa se-fraction. Asi number ishi, a inofanirwa kunge iri an integer. Kana chiti integer, remember, tati isusu tikutaura pamusoro pe a number which is either negative or positive. Saka a anogona kuva an integer, b zvakare anogona kuva an integer, but a special case for b ndeyekuti b cannot be 0, because any number dividing 0 gives an undefined answer. Kana mucalculator mako ukanonyora izvezvi kuti 5 over 0, answer yaunowana macalculator akawanda inenge yakanzi error 2. Kuti error 2 zvinongoreva kuti this is not applicable kana kuti this is undefined. Asi kana tati dzikei nemetsi zvishoma, tinenge chiti this is infinity. Maona. Saka the reason why the denominator cannot be 0 in a way kuti we are avoiding a situation where our answer is not defined, undefined, not applicable, error 2, where our answer is infinite. We need finite answers which we can relate to better. So ndo zvinenge zviripo panapa. A set of rational numbers inonzi iyo q. Saka ndo pane imwe confusion kuti ko yaregere ngonzi r. Inonzi q. Saka panapa teta kuti q is equal to, tangopa an example, tiri kubva ku negative infinity, remember, tinogona kuti minus 2.5, minus 1.2, minus 4 over 5, 0, towatati 3/4, towatati 1 and 11 over 16, towatati 2, towatati and so on, tichienda ku positive infinity takadai so. Saka ma-fractions, ma-decimals, and ine maka paiswa ma-decimals panapa, because tadefine isusu a rational number as any number that can be expressed. Saka this decimal can be expressed as a fraction. How? Inenge iri minus 1 and 2 over 10. Saka tinge tato express as a mixed number, which in turn can be expressed as minus 12 over 10 yatova fraction. Then a whole number yanyorwa futi panapa because it can be expressed as what? as a fraction, how inenge yava togona kunyora takati 4/2 yatova a fraction, kana kuti 2/1 yatova futi chi a fraction. Okay, saka panapa takuda kunyora the last type of numbers. This last type of number is called irrational numbers. Irrational numbers. Saka ndichitaura pamusoro pema irrational numbers, panapa tinenge tichitaura pamusoro pe these are numbers which are obviously opposite rational numbers. Saka kureva kuti they cannot be expressed as fractions of the order a over b, where a and b are both elements of integers but b cannot be 0. Mapaona. Saka maexamples ema irrational numbers, tine a special case pi. Pi is an irrational number, but tikada kuapproximata pi tinoinyora as 22/7. 22/7 is a fraction, kureva kuti it's a rational number. But iyo pi pachayo, I have a 1-hour video on Tapiwa Kuro to the Second Nyemba YouTube channel, which explains pi, how we get to pi, how we calculate pi, how pi was approximated. Saka pi is 3.14 and so forth, indefinitely, without repeating, without a specific pattern. It's irrational. But kanata we approximate as 22/7, it's rational. There is such a question in our homework, so I have explained enough. What I will do now is I will test if you have understood what I have explained through a homework. Okay, then the second example panapa of an irrational number, the square root of 2. We can talk of the square root of 3. You see, these are irrational numbers. But pokana tikati the square root of 9. The square root of 9 is not an irrational number because it's equal to plus or minus 3. Saka in other words, it's actually a rational number. Saka mchaona interrelatedness iri between ma rational numbers na amwe ma types of numbers, because ma whole numbers ma rational numbers, ma integers ma rational numbers. You see? Saka ma rational numbers tukureva ma numbers atinoshandisa in everyday life. Ma irrational numbers ma numbers asiri definite, kaita se pi, the square root of 2, the square root of 3, and so forth. So this is not an irrational number. So having done so, we have actually put our hands on our lesson. Tato conclude our lesson. What we need now is a homework. I'm going to send you directly a PDF containing the homework. But for the sake of those who are learning through these videos, I'm going to show you the homework. So this is actually the homework. Saka homework is actually more like an assignment. Was yakati kurei, the Math Hub CSIC Pevis Magnum. If you want to join the Math Hub, you can reach to me on this number, +263, it's a Zimbabwean number, 071-046-9150. You can be part of the Math Hub. This is a school, online school, digitalized school, where we instruct on mathematics. And I'm guilty of spoon feeding. I actually spoon feed. I want to teach you concepts as raw as they are, but I also teach you to work on your own. So that's the Math Hub. CSIC Pevis Magnum, as I said earlier, means greatness from small beginnings. So let us go. This is an Einsteinian class, a class where I teach O-level mathematics, and this is sets number 1. Saka question 1 yedu iri kuti, make each of the following true by writing either element of or not element of in the place of the asterisk. Saka 44, is it an element of that set? R, is it an element of that set also? Number 2 iri kuti, pi can be expressed as either 3.14 or 22/7. Replace the asterisk with either element of or not element of to make the statement true. Saka A and B. Saka apo ndaita nyasha ndataura kuti Q is a symbol for rational numbers. Denda tungosiyana nazvo ndarega kudaro. Because we assume kuti you should know the letters used to represent the sets of numbers. So that's number 2. Number 3 iri kuti find the number of elements of X when X is equal to set A and the second set on B. Saka you do that, I think it's relatively easy. 2 marks. Number 4 iri kuti write down the following symbols. Write down the following using symbols. So trees is not a subset of matter objects. Then children are members of the human race. Saka you have to write those using ma symbols atanga tichidzidza. Number 5. So if the universal set is equal to a set of months of the year, F is the first 8 months of the year, Y months ending with Y. Draw a Venn diagram to show the relationship between Fy and the universal set. This concludes our homework. I'm sorry. Number 6 is the last question. Given that A is equals to a set of 4, 2 over 5 minus 2 and a third, 1.50 minus 19 minus 0.3, 3 and 1 over 7, 20, 18 over 5 minus 6 and 3 over 4 minus 9.666 and pi. List those elements of A which are members of natural numbers, part 1, part 2 whole numbers, part 3 integers, and part 4 rational numbers. This concludes our homework. But I was almost forgetting, I'm sorry. I have a few examples which I want to work with you. Saka let us go to those examples, but iyo ndo homework yedu haisi kuzochinja. Saka tapa ma practice questions. So for practice questions, our first question iri kuti make each of the following true by writing either element or not element of in place of the asterisks. Saka A yedu yakati iyo 9 yobva yaisa this set 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Then B yedu yakati iyo 44 yobva yaisa this set of 3, B yedu yakati iyo 15 yobva yaisa this set of 3, 6, 9 and so forth 24. So takuda answer these two questions. Chiripo panapa ndechekuti I am going to answer in the color white. Chiripo panapa ndechekuti mukatarisisa muchaona kuti physically muset redu iri hamuna 9. But tikatarisa relationship yeset iri tichaona kuti ma factors of 2 up to 10. And 9 is not a factor of 2. Kureva kuti answer yedu panapa techiti 9 is not an element of 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So this is what is called a closed set. It's closed. My elements ese aripo. Saka this is also a closed set. But chirikuitika panapa manje ndechekuti elements akawandisa msaka tashandisa and so on. But is 15 part of that set? Tikatarisa tichaona kuti set iri relationship iripo ndeyekuti ma factors of 3. Because 3, 6, 9 and so forth until 24. Of which 15 is an element, or rather is a factor of 3. I has my factors. Forgive me, I may not teach. I has my factors, my multiples. Can I tona this mistake? So what I'm teaching well. Saka these are multiples of 2. These are multiples of what? Of 3. Saka 15 is a multiple of 3 kureva kuti chokwadi 15 is an element of chin 3 6 9 and so forth until 24 like this. All right, so this will be this will conclude that question number 2. Number 2 yakanzi iyo find the number of elements of x yobva yati when x is equal to a yedu yakadai so rikandinyore zvakanaka saka a yedu yakadai so h yobva yaita o u yobva yaita s yobva yaita e like this, and b yedu yakati iyo 0 1 2. So panapa tangonzi tizive the number of elements of x when x is equal to this set. Saka pa a tichangoverenga isusu head count elements ari mukati this set 1 2 3 4 5. Saka the number of elements of x in a d5. Then pa b tichangoverenga futi 1 2 3. So the number of elements of x pa b d3. Saka chandoda kuti mutiteke note ndeunoyu 0, in as much as 0 ari a placeholder not considered in many respects as a number, but panapa tiri kuiverenga as an element because it is an element. Saka trick iri pakweseni ndeyekuti umwe munhu aigona kufunga kuti the number of elements i2 asina kuverenga 0. 0 is an independent deserving element in part B. So that was the trick of the question. Okay, that will be right. Number 3. Number 3 irikuti iyo irikuti write down the following. Write down the following using symbols. Write down the following using symbols. Saka panapa pafango kuti netsa a yacho yakati iyo 2 and 6 form a subset of the factors of 18 ndangwenyora like this. Then b yedu yakati iyo, so b rega ndiise pakaita sepanapa ndoda space yekuzoisa answer. B yedu yakati iyo vehicles, so that contains buses. Saka pekutanga 2 and 6 form a subset of the factors of 18. So zvatinoita panapa ndezvekuti tichadai so tinoda kuti isusu 2 and 6 kana since it's a subset zviri pachena titori nesimbo yesubset, so 2 and 6, so like this they are a subset symbol yacho ndei, remember they are a subset of what? The factors of 18. Ma factors of 18 ndiani? Tina 2 4 6 and so forth until 18 yacho. Mapaona. Saka panapa handina tomanyora zvakanaka. Ma factors of 18 tinotangira pana 1. 1 is a universal factor. Takaita ma factors paya. Then towatati 2. 3 is also a factor of 18. So 1 2 3 4 6 and so forth until 18. Sando manyorora tinoita chakakosha kuziva symbol yesubset nekukuta mathematize this sentence. 2 6 is a subset of 1 2 3 4 6 until 18. Then panapa pati yaifango kutinetsa kwanzi vehicles contains buses. Zvazvinongoreva ndezvekuti buses tagona kunyora takadai so buses, they are actually a subset of the set of what? Vehicles. Inge tori correct yakadai so. Anditi. Because vehicles are containing a set of buses. Hatigoni isusu kuti kudai so tobva tati isusu buses is an element of vehicles. No. Buses is set, it's not an element. Saka this is wrong. Simbo yechokwadi inoi a subset of. I hope you understood them. Otherwise, let me go over to, I think this is the second last part of my question. Is it the second last? Or it's actually the last? Okay, it's the last. Satauda wata question yedu yokupedzisira. Question yedu yokupedzisira iri kuti iyo, what is it saying? Iri kuti if the universal set is equal to 2, 4, 6, 8, and so forth until 20, your variety M is equal to your variety multiples of 3. Your variety L is equal to your variety numbers less than 14. Numbers less than 14. Then your various where pass your variety draw a Venn diagram using the data above. Using the data above. Saka question is zvatinoita ndezvekuti, what I encourage is kana universal set yedu isina kunyanya kukurisa iri imaginable, like panapa 2, 4, 6, 8 then 20, aya multiples are 2 but ari kumira pana 20 anonyoreka, ngatiinyorei yakadaro. Saka universal set yedu inge iri equal to 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. Tamanyora. Mapaona. Then taudzwa isusu kuti M is ma multiples of 3. But ma multiples of 3 aya are contained in the universal set. But at universal set tati, this is discussing universality, everything. But everything of the multiples of 3, it's within the universal set. Kureva kuti ma multiples of 3 atiri kuda, ma multiples of 3 ari mukati me universal set. Saka ndeapi acho? Tina 6, mapaona, 2 hazi, 4 hazi, tina 6, 8 hazi, 10 hazi, tina 12, 14 hazi, 16 hazi, tina 18. Aya ndo ma multiples of 3 ari kuwanikwa mu universal set. Alright? Then L yanzi kudini? L yanzi numbers less than 14. Saka ma numbers are less than 14 asari mukati me universal set tina 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. Remember 14 is not less than 14. 14 is equal to 14. Saka pade panzi less than or equal to 14 tobva include 14. Asika zvikanzi numbers less than 14 zongoreva kuti tikuda ma numbers ari pasi pa 14. Saka using this information, takuda kudraw a Venn diagram. Saka I'm going to erase this part. So if you need, you can copy it somewhere. I'm going to erase it. Venn diagram rangu. With this information, I'm good to go. What I encourage pama questions and kuti pause dzimwe nguva and attempt on your own. Because we learn more through correcting our mistakes rather than through making mistakes. Saka ukapoza ukatempta wega, then wozoona solution yangu inini. You learn more rather than kungoita rote memorization, kungotarisa solution yangu wotofunga kuti uri kudzidza. That's an illusion of learning. You won't be learning actually. Alright, saka let us go on. Saka panapa manje kana takuda kudraw Venn diagram tichatanga taisa universal set kudai so taisa box redu. Okay. So universal set redu ra right tobva taisa subset yedu yekutanga M toona kuti tongotarisa roughly kuti tine here sungawirirano iripo, tine here element iri muna m nemuna eu iripo. Ko for example kureva kuti tofunga kuisa intersecting region, saka m panapa nditi, then eu panapa anofanira kuita intersecting region iri panapa. Then kana takunyora isusu tichatanga tatarisa muna m nemuna eu, toona kuti tine here maelements akafanana. 6 uyu arimo here muna eu, arimo, saka takumunyora pakati panapa, mapaona. Saka mubatanidzwa uyu, remember. Ko 12 ari muna m, arimo here muna eu, arimo ushu, takumunyora futi panapa. Ko 18 umamuna, saka common elements edu tatopedza. Then touya kuna m tovatati takuda kunyora maelements ari muna m asiri pakati panapa, saka 6 uyu hatichamunyori munomu aripo, 12 hatichamunyori umu aripo, asi 18 hapo, saka 18 akunyorwa so. Ko l takuda kunyora maelements ael ari muna l asi asiri pakati apa. 2 hapo pakati onyorwa, 4 hapo onyorwa, 6 aripo haanyorwi, 8 hapo onyorwa, 10 hapo onyorwa, 12 aripo haanyorwi. Okay, tadaro tovatati but universal set yedu yakatiyo 2 4 6 8 kusvika 20. Tine here maelements ari muuniversal set asi asiri muna m kana kuti muna l. 2 unouyu aripo haanyorwi, 4 unouyu aripo haanyorwi, 6 aripo haanyorwi, 8 aripo haanyorwi, 10 aripo haanyorwi, 12 aripo haanyorwi. Ko 14 munomba muna 14 anonyorwa kunze kunoku. Ko 16 umba muna 16 onyorwa futi kunze kunoku. Ko 18 uyu aripo haanyori. Ko 20 umba muna 20 onyorwa kunze kunoku. Kana wadai so 3 marks dzako nga collected. Patopedza. I really think it's not that much difficult. Okay. Just a reminder that we have a homework, the method CISIC Pervis Magnum in standing class sets homework 1, which you should write. If you have any questions, the comments section are available. I will answer, or contact me directly on Zimbabwean number 0710469150, available on WhatsApp also. Otherwise, thank you for your attendance to this class and take care. Maybe you can say my contact details angu panapa. Saka yanoshandiswa nevanoda kujoina the method uye vane mibvunzo yavaroda kubvunza directly to me. Saka this is my Zimbabwean number iri paWhatsApp. It's 071 0469150. So this is available on WhatsApp. If you prefer an email, it's tapiwanyemba453@gmail.com. Preferably WhatsApp, email hatina data rekuivhura all the time, but those are my contact details. Thank you for your patience and attendance to this class.